When it comes to starting and managing your own construction business, there's important responsibilities to keep in mind, like keeping your workers safe, handling finances responsibly, and then there's the law. And you're probably thinking, I'm not doing anything shady. What do I need an attorney for? And yep, we've even heard before, contracts are annoying and a waste of my time. Well, we implore you, when it comes to construction law, play by the rules and don't learn the hard way. For those of you who are sincerely striving toward a multi-million-dollar construction business, it's not going to happen if you don't utilize attorneys and if you don't take contracts seriously. We can promise you that. When to hire an attorney. Aren't construction attorneys hired most of the time to help with contracts? Yes, and that's an excellent reason to hire one. The simple act of creating a contract between you and a client could possibly make the difference between keeping and losing your construction business. No joke. At the very least, by hiring a lawyer, you can give yourself peace of mind. Not to mention, it may keep you and your construction business out of hot water. That being said, here's some of the many occasions where it would be a wise decision to hire an attorney for your construction business. To draft contracts. To ensure that you're following all building regulations on a new construction project. You're considering filing a lawsuit against a client or subcontractor. You're not sure if certain regulations, like environmental regulations, apply to your project. You want to ensure you're following any federal employee hiring practices. A client brings a lawsuit against you. You want to ensure that local ordinances, such as noise restrictions, are followed. Keep in mind that a construction attorney isn't someone who just bails you out of trouble when you're in trouble. A solid construction attorney will assist their client with scheduling, budgeting, submitting claims, terminations, and much more. The right attorney. As an entrepreneur who's strapped for cash, it's tempting to find the cheapest attorney out there. The law's the law, right? One attorney couldn't possibly be better than another, right? Wrong. Don't hire your cousin Vinny or the attorney who handled your divorce. When it comes to construction projects, you need someone who's an expert at construction law. And it's important that you consult an attorney within your state, as construction laws can vary state by state. What is a construction contract? Well, there's all kinds of construction projects out there, so naturally there's different types of construction contracts available. But whatever the project entails, a construction contract is a legally binding agreement between the contractor and the client that states a given job will receive the proper compensation. A construction contract generally will define the scope, terms, and conditions of the project and will almost always include the nature of the work that would be completed, the estimated project start and completion date, the cost of labor and materials, procedures for changing the scope of work or other parts of the project, which parties, including subcontractors, would participate in the construction process. Even if both parties, the contractor and client, trust each other, heck, even if they're best friends, it is essential to have a signed contract. Want to view the entire lesson as well as all of the other lessons included in this course? Visit heavyape.com and use the coupon code E&C to get 25% off.